Welcome back, friends and family. My name is Rockstarjoehang, but you can call me Rockstar for short. How is everybody doing today? The year is fastly approaching, and man, what a journey. Hopefully the music's not too loud. I'm gonna get my abs in. Gotta move some equipment around. I'm here 7 days a week. 2 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is the time of year where I like to reflect on the things I did this year, what I can improve on, what I can do better, what I learned. And it's very important for us to reflect on things. I think it brings perspective to our life. Oh man, I didn't tell you guys, but I gave up burrito and hamburgers at my two favorite spot here in downtown LA. I haven't eaten it for like 2 months now. Okay, I'm gonna finish my workout today with some back because upstairs was so noisy. Man, it's hard to record when it's so noisy. Gotta get some calf rises in. Gotta work on the muscles that you don't like. And this is not my most favorite workout, but it's needed. I'm very proud of myself because it was kind of getting out of hand. I was eating it late night, not good for you. And I noticed that I was losing my six-pack, so I was like, I gotta stop because getting the six-pack was hard enough. Maintaining it, in my opinion, is just as hard. And also, I'm feeling kind of sluggy, not 100 today, which is good because I want you guys to know that I am a human being and I can't be 100 every day. I like to start off with my legs, my abs, all the boring exercises first, because then I can just get to the fun stuff. As much as I love my burritos and my burgers, I was like, I gotta stop. That's not gonna help me. Because I can't be doing abs every day and then throwing it all away because of the way I eat. And one thing I learned about this whole year was just showing up. 365 days is a long time. I was committed to come to the gym every day. And looking back now, I'm able to tell you that I probably only missed maybe like not even 30 days of gym, which is crazy. I realized that for things to work out, we can't cut corners. The margin for error is so small. It's good I document these videos because when I look back at it, I want to see my journey, my ups and downs. Maybe it's a Tuesday, I don't know. But I'm here. I haven't forgot my purpose. Man, I feel like a turtle today for some reason. It's just one of those days where I didn't feel like coming, but I still show up. Because once I'm here, I know I'm gonna put in the work. Until you get to your goal, you gotta just keep doing it. You gotta keep grinding it out. There's no easy, that's for sure. Oh man, my birthday's coming up in 8 days. Also, I'm trying to finish the year off strong because I'm gonna be out of the country. I'm super excited and looking forward to that. Man. Whew. Just to change the scenery up, you know? And I think the secret sauce is just getting up and showing up. I think that's the one thing I learned. It's life is gonna hit you left to right, front and center. But no matter how tired you are, as long as you get here and you do something, it's always better than not doing anything. Hopefully the music is hopefully my microphone is able to shield some of this music, because they got it bumping today. And I don't mind having music on, but it doesn't need to be that loud. And most of the time, people come with their headsets anyways. No excuses. Oh my gosh. Let's get it. Come on, let's get it. Before I go, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for clicking and subscribing. And those of you who haven't left, I truly, truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. I want you guys to have a good holiday, a new year, and 2024. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get to the promised land.